Human settlement. Rural settlement. A rural settlement is one in which the majority of people are involved in activities such as agriculture, fishing, mining, and forestry. The population in this region is generally small and population density is low. Patterns of rural settlement. We can identify 5 patterns of rural settlement: dispersed, nucleated, linear, circular, and radial. Dispersed settlement. These settlements refer to scattered, isolated dwellings. They are mostly found in hilly areas, farmlands, or in an area where accessibility is poor. Nucleated settlements. In these settlements, the dwellings are close together in one area. They are mostly found in river valleys and fertile plains, where the land is flat and accessibility is good. Linear settlements. These are elongated settlements where the dwellings are built in a line. They are mostly found along the banks of rivers, coasts, or transport routes like roads or railways. Circular settlements. These settlements usually develop in area where water is not abundant. The dwellings are built in a circular pattern around a source of water, such as a lake or a pond or an oasis in the desert. Radial settlements. In this type, the dwellings are built along the streets which spread out from a central point towards all directions. They are also called star-shaped settlements. Urban settlements. People in urban settlements are mostly engaged in secondary and tertiary economic activities like industry, trade, commerce, administration, etc. They usually have a large population and population density is also high. Urban settlements are classified according to their dominant function. Administrative towns. They include not only capital cities of countries, but all the centers of provinces, states, districts, and other administrative divisions. For example, New Delhi, Washington DC, London, etc. Defense towns. They are the centers of military activities like the army headquarters, naval dockyards, and air bases. For example, Moh, Madhya Pradesh, Kochi, Kerala, Barakpur, West Bengal, etc. Cultural towns. They are centers of culture such as education, art, religious activities. For example, Oxford Shantiniketan, educational, Hollywood, entertainment, Banarasi, Makkah, Vatican City, religious. Industrial town. They have some kind of manufacturing industry as their major function. For example, Jamshedpur, Durgapur, Birmingham, Detroit. Market towns. They are the collection and the distribution center for various goods. For example, Bardhaman in West Bengal and Norwich in England. Mining towns. They have developed near the mining areas. For example, Dhanbad and Johannesburg. Port towns. They have developed around a large port or harbor and are important trading and distributing centers. For example, Mumbai, Kolkata, Tokyo, and New York. Resort towns. They cater to the recreational needs of people and are of various types. Hill stations, seaside towns, spas, places with attractive scenery like Nainital. Residential towns. They have been developed to provide residence to people such as Chandigarh, Kalyani near Kolkata, Richmond near London. Many towns perform a variety of functions like London, New York, Mumbai, Kolkata, etc. They are preferred to be diversified in function. Rural and urban settlements are complementary to each other. The villages provide the supply of food grains, fruits, vegetables, milks, and daily laborers to the towns. On the other hand, the towns supply industrial goods that are required in the villages. People from villages come to the towns for employment opportunities and also for availing educational, medical, and entertainment facilities.